让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another round of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Now, this month, the phrase we're teaching you is called "No worries." 安心。
安心。
安心。Now, right now it's summertime, so a lot of people like to go to the beach, and maybe there are some beaches maybe more dangerous than others, so we need to actually pick safer beaches, okay? 现在夏天到了，好喜欢去海边玩啊。
对啊，但是要注意安全。
还是要注意安全。那台湾其实四面都是海，都很漂亮，但是我们还是要选一些就是可能有救生员、
对
合法的这些海滩啊、海边去玩比较好。
要不然就游泳池。
要不然就游泳池，对。All right, so let's put you in a situation where you're gonna go to the beach and you're gonna find one with a bodyguard, okay? 夏天到了，可以到海边玩。Summertime is here. Let's go to the beach.
熱天到咧，
熱天到咧，
就得去海船了。
就得去海船了。
熱天到咧，就得去海船了。
对，海船海邊 that is the beach or ocean side，对不对 ？All right， 夏天。熱天 that literally means a very hot day, but it also means summertime. All right, 要注意安全哦 You gotta watch out for your safety.
要注意安全哦。
要注意安全哦。OK， 安全就是安全嘛 That's safety. 注意 to watch out, pay attention more. OK. 安心啦 No worries. I will always go to a beach that has a bodyguard. 我都去有救生员的海滩。
安心啦。
安心啦。
我都去。
我都去。
有救生员嘅。
有救生员嘅。
海浦嘅。
海浦嘅。诶，我听懂大部分，但刚不是说海船？
海船就是海边。
海边，那现在是海浦。
海浦嘅海滩。
哦，这边海滩了。哦，
就是有沙子的咯。
You know, let's point this out. Just a minute ago, 海船 that means seaside, ocean side, but this actually means the beach, 海滩，海浦诶。Now you can tell the difference between the two. All right? 太好了 Let's review these terms then, okay? 夏天。
熱天。
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 熱天。And then safety, 安全。
安全。
安全。And then let's point out the two. 海邊 ocean side.
海船。
海船。And then the beach, 海灘。
海浦誒。
海浦誒。Ah. And this month it's all about, again, no worries. 安心。
安心。
安心。And that is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張偉了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.